what's up? Welcome to the old channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you see me do something goofy or you know the answer to whatever goofy thing I'm trying to fix. So today, I'm ripping around on the Shovelhead, hopefully. I've been riding around a little bit. I went for a ride yesterday. I can't get it to tune right. And I've got all these problems I'm gonna show you as soon as I start tinkering around with it. But I had a brain fart and it poofed out, and I think I got it dialed in. So let's go frickin' ride this thing and see if I can actually make it sound good without doing a bunch of crazy stuff. All right, nice sunny day. I want to go for a rip. So I noticed that this carb isn't running that great. Well, I got a new screwdriver. If you don't have one of these, it doesn't have to be a snap-on. I just got this at the one flea market thing we have a year. I just lose them instantly, so I always buy 2 or 3. But these things are perfect for carbs and put in your pocket. All right, I got this thing to stock with my fancy new screwdriver I'm gonna lose. But the accelerator pump, I got like half a turn. Idle screw, I got, I think 1 turn, I can't remember. Half a turn out from seated. And then the air mixture, 1.5. So that's stock. So let's try to kick this thing over and hopefully it'll run. So what my main problem is I got this stupid step choke knob. But my main problem is it only runs in the second step up. So I think that's my problem, is the bike's just a hair bit idling with the choke on. So what I'm gonna try to do is tune it so it'll seat all the way, and I think that's gonna solve all my issues. So let's get it started. I think it starts on that third one. Let's try to get it to seat properly and run at an idle. Try to get this thing kicked over without too much fuss. Get primed here. This thing, I don't want to tune it while it's cold. It's just going to struggle, so I'm going to tune it a little bit higher RPM. Let's go for a frickin' ride. Forgot definitely idling way freaking better, so I'm pretty stoked. Probably just needs different jets. Now we're on to the fun stuff. Rips, rides. I can deal with this stuff. So let's go for more rides. There it goes. Belt's pretty tight. I think that's probably perfect. Chain is a little loose. That's it. Went for a ride, an actual one. Oh, the only thing I want to look at is this shifter. It shifts really hard. And I don't know. I'm assuming it's because of this angle, but I'm gonna have to look into that. I have another linkage that was way better. I think it came up. I might switch it to that because it'll shift a little better. Or I'll put a jockey on it. That'd be pretty fun. Okay. Let's see if it'll start the way it is now. It's been like 2 minutes, so shoot, maybe not even that. See if it'll start. I'm still trying to figure this kicker out. Start without the enricher. Let's let it rest. All right, pretty cool. It runs really good actually for what I know of it. Man, it's been a process. I've got a lot of videos of me screwing up. I've learned every little inch of what you're not supposed to do on a bike, unfortunately. So go back, watch all my videos on this playlist. Hopefully this is like the end and now I can do all the fun stuff. But from all the previous videos, multiple transmissions, oil follies, I don't know if it was pumping, whatever, wheels, chain lockup, just all the little simple stuff, carb problems, leaks, exhaust, all the stuff. So if you just watch all the videos, you'll find something for you. I'm trying to just, not how-tos, but things that I'm learning along the way. I'll try to film it, put it out there. And if you watch all the videos, hopefully a little tip or trick that I found useful will be in one of these videos. But yeah, the bike runs mint now. Not mint, but it's running pretty good. It actually run really great, and it freaking started up with like one kick, so that's pretty cool. Now I just gotta dial in that carb. It's popping like crazy. What else? Yeah, I just gotta figure out the jets and the timing and stuff of it. Oh, timing's another one. I think it's fine, but I think it's like a 2 degrees off. I think the angle of where my shifter foot is versus the angle of where it's at, it's just binding up. So I don't know, that's in the next video. I gotta figure it out. What else? I gotta change the oil. It's been 50 miles, so change the oil. I gotta check all the bolts and the head bolts, just every bolt. And oh, I could probably check the wiring. It's charging, but I'm going to check it again. It's actually running really good and charging great. So saying that, I'm going to try to rewire that switch on the dash back in. That's pretty much it. Once I get all that dialed in, then it's all the fun stuff. I really don't want to buy a bunch of expensive stuff for this bike, so what I think I'm going to do is just try to fabricate and make stuff. What potential things I want to do is mess with the fender. I want to slim it down. It's big, it looks stock. I'd like to try to find another front rim. I think that other one's pretty haggard. It's cool or whatever because it's crusty, but I would like to get something a little shinier. And I can't really think off the top of my head all the things I need. I want to fix the tank, maybe get like a strap of leather, go down the center of the tank. Anyways, I'll go over this in another video. If you want to know a list of things I want to do to my bike, tell me in the comments below. Otherwise, it runs, it's great. I think it'll kick over pretty easily. Like, subscribe, and check out all the other videos. And hopefully we'll be riding this thing more palling around. So stay tuned.